If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to make your hair thicker and longer in a natural way. First, take 4 tablespoons onion juice in a bowl. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil is great for hair because it contains moisturizing ingredients like squalene and oleic acid. It may also help prevent split ends because it can increase hair elasticity. Apply cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil to the ends of the hair, but be sure to avoid the scalp. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair scalp to hair length for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply this mask 2 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.